What's up, guys? Your boy Big A here, coming at you with another video. I hope you and your loved ones are doing well. I hope you guys are excited to say goodbye to 2021 and to welcome 2022. On that note, I want to wish you all a happy new year. I wish you guys nothing but love, peace, prosperity, good health, good fortune, good vibes, and all that good stuff. It's been a rough year for us collectors as far as Hot Wheels is concerned, especially the last 2 or 3 months. But there's not much we can do, guys. Keep in mind that the economy is reopening. The pandemic has not gone away. Factories have had to close because of it. So, don't blame everything on one person. I don't think that's fair. But anyways, I also want to mention that today marks my 3rd year anniversary as a YouTuber. So not only am I excited for 2022, but I'm excited to celebrate my 3rd year anniversary as a YouTuber. As you all know, this is a very competitive space, so I'm very excited to have made it thus far, and I want to thank you all once again for all the love and support that you have given me all these years. So as you all know, guys, stores have been pretty dry as far as Hot Wheels. I have not found anything new or exciting other than what I've already shown you guys on my videos. If you guys haven't seen the videos, I would appreciate it if you do, if and when you get a chance. I did find this awesome Motor Show 5-pack, and this is one of the stars of that 5-pack. So without further ado, let's get going, guys. This is the Renault Sport RS01. This car has been featured in other 5-packs before, but in my personal opinion, this is the best looking one to date. This car is rocking a cool matte white. It's got a red interior. It's got tinted glass all around. I'm really digging the temple work, the wheels, and check out that spoiler, guys. Really cool. It does lack some detail on the tail lights, and it also lacks some detail on the headlights, but it's okay. The details are minor. They're easy to fix, so I'm not sweating it one bit. It also has this cool little tampo just above the windshield that says Renault Sport, and then on the spoiler it says Renault. This car or casting is one of the most underappreciated castings. Don't understand why. I mean, personally, I love everything about this casting. I like the body lines. For me, it's just a beautiful car, but to each his own. I respect everyone's opinion. Alright, guys, let's welcome the second star of the set. This is the 2013 Srt Viper. This car is rocking a cool midnight blue. It's got a black interior, clear glass front and back. Driver and front passenger windows are rolled down. It's got some cool wheels. I'm really digging the chrome ring around the wheels. Very cool. It does lack some detail on the taillights, but that's okay. It's no biggie. It does make up for it a little bit on the headlights, as you can see. There you go. Very, very nice. Alright, guys, let's welcome the 3rd star of the set. This is the Aston Martin Vulcan. So you can see it's rocking a metallic orange. It's got a dark interior, dark glass all around. It's got some cool headlight detail. You can also see the Aston Martin badge. Love the wheel choice on this car. Love that spoiler as well. It does lack some detail on the taillights, as you can see, but it's okay, guys. The details are minor and they're very easy to fix. So let me know what you guys think about this guy. Alright, guys, let's welcome the 4th car of the set, and this is the Jaguar Xesv Project 8. This car is rocking a cool metallic purple. It's got a black interior, tinted windows. Check out that detail on the tail lights. Very cool. Love the spoiler. Love the wheel choice on this car. And it also has pretty cool details on the front. Check that out, guys. Very, very, very cool. Let me know what you guys think about this one. Now let's move on to the superstar of the set, and this is the Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. So you can see this car is rocking a cool mustard yellow. It's got a red interior. got a tinted window on the front. It's got some cool details on the headlights, and it's got the Lamborghini badge right there. And it also has that right there, whatever that is. I apologize for that, guys. I'm not very knowledgeable about cars, so if you guys know what those are, please let me know in the comments. I really love the wheel choice on this car as well. It's also rocking a pretty cool spoiler. Very, very nice. It does lack some detail on the tail lights, but once again, guys, that's an easy fix. So let me know what you guys think about this one. I also want to share with you guys some cars that I received from a gift exchange that we did in our Spanish YouTube community. This is from my good friend Torres Wheels, brother. I really appreciate it. And this is the 1978 Chevy K10 Pickup 4x4. Check that out, guys. This car has a light blue color. It's got the dust effect all around. It's got the Golf decals on the doors. It's got some cool detail on the back. The tailgate does open and close. And it also has an opening hood. Check this out, guys. Let's see. Let's see if I could get this. There you go, guys. Check that out. Very, very cool. It's got some cool detail on the front. Check out the headlights, the Chevy bow tie. Very, very nice. This also has a metal base. This car has some pretty good weight to it. Rubber wheels. Very, very nice, guys. Very, very nice. I also got this cool 1968 Mercury Cougar. This is an M2 product, by the way. This car is rocking a cool gloss black color, red interior. I love all the detail on this car, guys. Even the windshield wipers, and then the frame around the windows is detailed. Check out the back, guys. Tail lights. On the plate it says 1968, representing the year of the vehicle. It's got some cool detail on the front as well. Very nice. And here is, oops, and here's the bottom for you guys. You can see it's got rubber wheels and a plastic base, and then there's the M2 logo right there. Very nice. Last but not least, guys, got this cool Plymouth Cuda. This is a Green Machine product, and this is a hybrid black, meaning it's got half gloss black and a matte black combination. So the gloss is on the front and the matte is on the back. It's got the louvers on the back as well. It's got some cool detail. Check this out, guys. Look at all that detail, man. Check out that spoiler, and check out the detail on the front as well. This is awesome. Black interior and metal base, and it's got some pretty good wheels on it. Very, very cool. Check out the Firestone decals on the wheels, or the tires, I should say. Very, very nice. So once again, Torres Wheels, thank you very much for sending me this. I really appreciate it. I'm very excited to add these awesome castings to my collection. You guys take care. You guys have an awesome new year. God bless. Take care, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Deuces, guys.